Okay, we're going to talk over the anatomy of the human heart and the direction of blood flow. So we're going to start right here in the right atrium. Now you're probably thinking, why am I drawing on the left? That's because the heart is going to be reversed. What you really need to think about is, to this person, this is their right atrium. So we're going to just arbitrarily start right there. From there, the blood is going to go through there to the right ventricle. Atrium is always the starting point. Ventricle is the larger one that's going to pump it out to the further distant areas. From the right ventricle, it's going to go up and branch off into these two separate arteries here called the pulmonary arteries. Both of these are going to go to the lungs. So they are going to carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. From there, the blood is going to return from the lungs in what is called the pulmonary veins. So these are coming from the lungs. So the pulmonary arteries go from the heart to the lungs, pulmonary veins go from the lungs back to the heart. And they are going to deposit that blood right here in the left atrium. Again, remember the left and right side are going to be reversed. From there, it's going to go down to the left ventricle, the largest part of the heart, because this is the one that has to pump it all the way out to the body. And it's going to do that through this, the largest blood vessel in the body, the aorta. It's going to branch off into those there. Middle one's going to go up to the brain and different parts of the body right there. It's going to go through what's called the aortic arch. So now the blood has gone out to the body. Now it's going to return via two different chambers here. This one down here is going to be the inferior vena cava. Inferior just meaning that it's below. The one up above is going to be the superior vena cava. So the inferior vena cava is going to carry blood from the lower half of the body, superior from the upper part. Now, we've kind of followed the direction here from the heart to the lungs, back to the heart to the body. I want to show these different things here. These little things are called valves. This first one here, going between the right atrium and the right ventricle, is called the tricuspid valve. This next one here is going to be the pulmonary valve. So the pulmonary valve is the valve that separates the heart out from the lungs. So first tricuspid, then the pulmonary valve. Then it's going to go out to the lungs. On its way back between the left atrium and the left ventricle, we have the mitral valve separating the left atrium and the left ventricle. And finally, the aortic valve is going to separate the left ventricle from the aorta and out to the body. So in order, given what we've seen, we go tricuspid to pulmonary, then out to the lungs, then back, mitral to aortic, and the circle is now complete. And the aorta is going to take the blood out to the body.